Good morning from the Oasis of the Sea. Say hi, Ryder.
Hi, Ryder.
It is 10 a.m. Weather this morning was pretty crappy, but it looks like it's cleared up a little bit. It's still overcast, so I am wearing a rash guard, which I purchased for specifically for the slides and for Coco Cay because last time I was freezing. So came in handy today. I have two of these. Got these on Amazon. 20 bucks. Well worth it. And now we're gonna go try, the lines look pretty light for everything because the weather's crappy, so we're gonna see what we can do. And we're gonna try and do as much as we can, and then Ryder's planning on going to the kids club in the afternoon. So we're gonna try to do what we can this morning, and then go to the kids club. He'll go to the kids club around 2 or 3, and then Ray and I have a spa appointment. Well, we got the mud room, so that probably won't be on camera. I'll show a little bit of the mud room, but then also ice skating is today. So there's ice skating on the 2C days. So there'll be ice skating at 2:45 or 3. So I'm gonna do ice skating before. I brought my ice skates, try and do ice skating before and then go. So we got a full day. We got a full day. So it's 10 a.m. and let's go. So we're here at Splashaway Bay. That's where Ryder wanted to go first. We told him like, hey, the slides are gonna get long, the big slides, but he wanted to start at Splashaway Bay, and there's not that many kids here, so that's good. It's still pretty early, but the sun has come out a little bit, so that's good. Our plan is that we're going to ports at San Juan and St. Thomas. We don't have any excursions planned, so that's pretty much the day we're planning on doing a lot of stuff on the ship. We might get off for a little bit, but in San Juan we might not get off at all. So we'll just kind of play the day by ear. Play it by ear for that day. That day we're in port from 2 to 10. So you know, we'll see what we do. But yeah, so we're now he's at Splashaway Bay, and the Splashaway Bay here is awesome.
So you got the big slide here. I believe it's 42 inches for that slide. Then you got a little slide here. So, and then they have some little slide here, and then they have a little baby area on that side. So, but this is a pretty decent sized slide. There's quite a line, and there's Ryder. So there's Ryder. So he's having fun, getting warmed up. And it's like a little pool, but it's not too bad. Ryder, was that fun?
I want to go in the pool.
You want to go in the pool now? Okay, go get Daddy. And they have all the photographers out. This is great. So Ryder's done with the pool. He's dictating where we're doing, and they're gonna go ride the slides. I'm gonna wait for them. Have fun.
Yeah.
So I can see them up there. They're next. Let's see, right there. There's Ray. There's Ryder. He's in the pink. Woo! Look up! Look at the camera, Ryder. Get with Daddy. Get with the camera.
So I just came to deck 6 to go to shark excursions, and they're having like a little parade on the promenade. Okay, so it's 2 o'clock. We just ate lunch. Ryder, did you have fun today?
Mm-hmm.
What was your favorite part? Here, let's go so you can see you. What was your favorite part today?
Pool.
The pool?
I mean the
slides?
No.
No?
The hot tub.
The hot tub. You like the hot tub? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You're a hot tub kind of guy?
Yeah.
Okay, and how was your lunch? Okay, and where are you going now?
The kids club.
Kids club. Cool. Okay. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
So Ray took Ryder to the kids club. It is just a little after 2. They actually have the ice skating is starting at 2 and not 3, which is great because I'm gonna get some time. So I have changed. I am in my ice skating apparel and I'm gonna go ice skate. I don't think Ray's gonna join me. I think he's gonna chill. He pretty much took on Ryder. Ryder had a little rough go this morning, but anyway, so he's at the kids club. He's headed to the kids club now. I'm gonna go ice skating and then we're gonna come back for our mud couple experience. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm here in Studio B and gonna go ice skating, practice a little bit.
And as you can see, they're here, so it's all the way out there. You gotta wear a helmet, and I did bring my own skates, but I remember you do have to wear a helmet, so.
Okay, so I'm here in Studio B. The sessions were all filled up, except for like 5 o'clock. So they started at 2, and they go for 5 hours till 7. So they had like a couple sessions, but like for only like 2 or 3 people. They were pretty much full. So I would say if you want to ice skate, you don't have your own skates, come early and I'd sign up like whenever for us it was 1:45. They started at 2 because they filled up. But then I mentioned I had my own skates. It was just me, and they said, "Oh, if you have your own skates, then we can, and it's just you, we can squeeze you in because the real reason is because of equipment. They have a capacity on the rink, but it's also equipment." So I was able to get to the next session. So super lucky. It's 20-minute sessions. And you do have to wear a helmet. So I knew that already, but you do have to wear a helmet. So they do have skates, but just know that they fill up the sessions really fast. I didn't think it was going to fill up that fast. On Freedom, it didn't fill up that fast, but it did. And yeah, just so that. So I'm waiting now for this like session to end, and then I'm going to be able to go out. So just you know, keep that in mind if you want to go ice skating at sea. So everybody in the stands are waiting for the next session. They're calling everybody off. And then you rent your skates over here, you get your helmet, and I got my helmet on. So here's our session. Got 2 more minutes left. But it's a good mixture and there's not too many people on the ice. So just so you can prove that I skated. Yay! So I just finished ice skating. We're in the mud room and we're gonna do our mud lounge for an hour. It is like 3:45. So yeah. So not filming this, but check out in an hour.
You're gonna exfoliate all over your body. This is a sugar scrub, okay?
Okay. Nice.
And then after you exfoliate, you're gonna rinse it off with the water. And then you come out, you're gonna put the full body mask all over your body, alright?
Okay.
Just apply the very thin layer all over your body.
Okay.
You're gonna stay inside the steam room. You stay as much as you want. It's 1 hour time that you can use this area.
Okay.
So you come out, come in, it's up to you, okay?
Okay.
But there is an automatic shower on the side. So
Okay.
we don't know what time the water is gonna flush out on you.
Okay.
But normally when there is a light, that's the time the water comes out, yeah?
Okay.
So just to let you know, there's water on the side that's gonna flush out, but it's gonna stop by itself.
Okay.
Yeah. This is for the face. You have your cleanser. And then this is your face mask.
Oh,
when
okay.
you put on this on your body, you can put it on at the same time while you stay inside the steam room. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
And this is your little moisturizer.
Okay, great.
Anything else?
So the mud experience or mud lounge, whatever it was fantastic. Highly recommended. Really liked it, and I feel really clean and exfoliated. So really liked it, and we're gonna do the jacuzzi experience on day 6, the other sea day. So picked up Ryder, and now we're just getting ready for dinner. So this is going to be the end of our day video for our first sea day on the Oasis of the Seas Spring Break 2023. And then tonight is formal night. So gonna get ready now for formal night. And I think we have tickets for, Ray and I have tickets for the reservations for the comedy show. We may or may not make it, we'll see. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.